Hello viewers, welcome to Shelter Glass Center. Let's warm up by testing the glass cutter. Well, it cuts just fine. Somebody gave us an assignment to make something out of glass that we've absolutely no name to give it. He gave us a sketch and a challenge to make it. We love glass challenges, so we took it with both hands. Engineer Sam here loves tearing through glass with his glass cutter. Don't you just love the way he handles his tool like a magic pen? He cuts with such ease one can't help but wonder what joy it must be to be the one in action. I've no doubt this man loves his job. Don't be fooled. A lot of hard work and dedication goes into this to make this fun. The glass have to be perfectly accurately cut or else the assembly process will be hectic and annoying, leading to the final product looking like garbage. Well, just like chapatis, when you enter a restaurant and you order the fries. Somebody really toiled to make it available at your request. Imagine the things we take for granted, like a cup of tea. Take a minute to think about the energy it consumes for that plate of rice to magically find its way on your spoon on its way to your throat. Engineer Sam here, like a cook making that meal appealing to your tongue, he makes glass products appealing to your eyes no matter the complexity of the task. The objective is to perfect the art to the extent y'all have no choice but to salute and say, well done. Have you seen the woodpecker in action? What in the world is that peak of that little bird made of? Goodness gracious, the energy it requires to swing that tiny head a million times to get the hole done is unimaginable. Wow! At least Engineer Sam here does not have to swing his head like a woodpecker to get the job done. For him it's easy and almost perfect. Oh no! Did I say almost perfect? Okay, yes I did. I did so because we're not trying to fool anyone. There are innovations out there that have simplified this process and made it perfect that once you see it, you'll be amazed. Innovations that will blow your mind and make Sam's art look like child's play. As was mentioned in an earlier video, when glass is cut it is usually very sharp, so the edges are sanded to make it safe for handling. The glass are inspected to ensure there are no errors. The dust and any other form of dirt is washed off. The workspace is thoroughly cleaned to ensure the end product will be appealing to the eye. The glasses are then dried properly as the glue won't hold with wet glass. Any sticky substances that the water did not wash off is now visible and easily removable. The lines are drawn to mark points of partitioning. Masking tape is put at strategic points for holding glass temporarily. The assembly begins, and this is the point that requires extreme accuracy. This is where the architect in Sam comes handy. This is where the title engineer is put to the test. This is where the woodpecker gets all free points, but Sam has to earn the marks because, let's face it, it's just a bird and Sam is an engineer. Thank you guys for sticking around to this point. I can't wait to see you in the next video.